Assalamu alaikum.
One some.
मेरा नाम फौज है. I have the question. There is the Al-Ma'idah 38. There is a clearly written cut off their hand, and you interpret it's just cut off the connection.
Yeah.
I try to understand what is the interpretation of the cut.
I tried to explain to you. Same in Surah Yusuf, the word I can show you, the ladies cut off their hands.
Yeah.
So if you look, I can show you that ayah. If you can explain that, how the women cut off their hands, so I can explain this. You understand? I will show you the word kata na, women cut off their hand when they saw Yusuf al-Islam. Same word is used, exactly same word. So how can you understand that women can cut off their hands when saw Yusuf al-Islam in the Surah Yusuf 12, and I can show you the ayat. Okay? The word is qata'ana. Yeah, verse is 12, Surah, ayat 31. Can you see in the Quran, please, if you got it in the mobile?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, please. I will read to you. It says, فَلَمَّا سَمِعَتْ بِمَكْرِهِنَّ أَرْسَلَتْ إِلَيْهِنَّ وَاعْتَدَتْ لَهُنَّ مُتَّكَانٍ وَقَالَتِ اخْرُجْ عَلَيْهِنَّ فَلَمَّا رَأَيْنَهُ أَكْبَرْنَهُ وَقَطَعْنَا أَيْدِيَهُنَّ mean they cut off their hands, the women. When they saw Ra'aynahu, they saw him, that is Yusuf, Akbarnahu, that his greatness, not beauty, his greatness. He was his bigness, greatness. So Waqata'na, they cut off Aydiyahunna, their hands. وَقُلْنَا حَاشَ لِلَّهِ مَا هَذَا بَشَرٌ, and they say حَاشَ لِلَّهِ مَا هَذَا بَشَرٌ, this is not a human, in هَذَا إِلَّا مَلَكٌ كَرِيمٌ, he is an angel honorable. When they saw Yusuf al-Islam, and they cut off their hands in Arabic. So I'm trying to educate you that women cannot cut off their hands while watching Yusuf al-Islam. They have to have an axe like this to cut off their hands, not by knife. So if you say, okay, no, if you speak to these guys, they say it was just a cut, a mark. So what about make a mark on the thief? Just a mark so that he should be identified as a thief, he's a thief, he's a thief. So again, he should be cut off from the environment. You see, by cutting off a hand, he can steal.
So you mean it has to be in prison or just is taken into the separate place or what?
No, Surah Yusuf, again in Surah Yusuf, Allah planned for Yusuf al-Islam to, his brother was, he wanted his brother to be with him. So he was accused of theft, and the law of the king was that whoever steals, he should be kept with him. So what happened? Yusuf al-Islam was charged of fornication, not literal fornication, but near to the act of fornication in the jail by the law of the land. And by the law of the land, his brother was kept in the kingdom of Yusuf al-Islam, not of the theft. He didn't cut off his hand.
Yeah.
In the same surah, where women are cutting off the hands, the brother was accused of theft, and he was kept. Law of the land.
Yeah.
So Allah said, I plan for Yusuf to follow the law of the land. So if you're living in Canada, you have to follow the law of the land.
Right.
So that means Allah is also following law of the land, not his law of cutting off the hand. Or a charge that he was after Aziz's wife, he was put in the jail. Not that 100 stripes.
Yeah.
Yep, inshallah. But any other question? No?